Study to learn. What you learn today is what you will become tomorrow. With this, me Akshita Chaurasia from class 4th A, wishing to everyone fantastic Jai Hind. The day without prayer is the day without blessings. With this, I would like to call Atika and Aradhya for prayer. Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind. Take your prayer position. Praise God. Praise God. Teach me. Anatuka. Dakas. Tutwai. Anatusi. Forest. Tulevar. Anatuai. Forlivar. To fight. Anatuhi. Dabun. To abide by. The rules of the city. And fight. For the state. To the last. And to love. Even those who we do it. So that one day I may be worthy of the love and my country. Winner work hard to win, but loser find an excuse to lose. With this, I would like to call Soumya Didi for her.
Confluence of heroes is like a broom, which sweep away the tide and leaves the surface of the earth. With this, Jai Hind everyone. I am Sonak Sautal from class 5th. Today I will tell a beautiful thought with you all. Let's start. Happiness can be found even in the darkness of time, if one only remember to turn on the lights. Its Hindi meaning is सबके अंधेरे समय में भी खुशियाँ पाई जा सकती हैं अगर कोई केवल रोशनी जलाना याद रखे तो। थैंक यू अविनाश जी।
अब मैं अपनी सहपाठिका अदिति को एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ। सुप्रभात आप सभी को। मेरा नाम अदिति सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है वो मंगलदीप दिवाली थी। वह मंगलदीप दिवाली थी, दीपों से जगमग थाली थी। कोई दिए जलाकर छोड़ गया, आशा की किरणें तोड़ गया। इस बार न ये हो पाएगा, अंधियारा ना टिक पाएगा। कोई लाख कर ले कोशिश मगर दिया न बुझाए पाएगा। जब रात में 12 बजते हैं सब लक्ष्मी पूजा करते हैं। रात की काली माया के लिए दीपों से उजाला करते हैं। वर्तमान के अंधेरे को दीपों से दूर भगाएंगे, दिवाली मनाएंगे। धन्यवाद। Master your mind, master your time, and you master your mind. With this, I would like to call Ayush Bhaiya for English poem.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ayush Kushwaha from class 5th. Today I am reciting an English poem. The blue sky, the scent of flower, the color of rangoli and the sound of cracker, gift and sweet from dear ones, and the getting of their love, and the color and the light of the candle below, and the dazzling firework up, lighting lamp at our home, making us smile. So our friends some new style. Thank you.
Who becomes the king of Lanka after Ravana's death?
Vibhishan.
And the answer is correct. For more GK question, I would like to call Anjali Didi. May Diwali brighten your life. With this quotation, Jai Hind everyone. I am Anjali Jaiswal from class 5th. Today I am here to ask some GK question related to Diwali. And the first question is, in which Indian state Diwali is also known as Kali Puja?
West Bengal.
And the answer is correct, West Bengal. And the second question is, in addition to India, Diwali is an official holiday in which country?
And the answer is Sri Lanka. And the third question is, in addition to Hindus, some other religions also celebrate Diwali. And the answer is Sikh. And the fourth question is, what is traditional food during Diwali? And the answer is wrong. And the right answer is sweets. And the fifth question is, the word Diwali originated from the word Diwali. In Sanskrit, what does it literally means? And the answer is raw of light. And the seventh question is, how many days do people celebrate Diwali? And the answer is correct, 5 days. And the ninth and last question is, during Diwali, people pray to Lord Ganesha. What does in return inform? And the answer is wealth and prosperity. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Ananya for a topic.
Waste time is only the thing which we cannot recycle. With this thought,